We're out here and teach you guys how to do the tankless water heater flush. We're looking at the bottom of the tankless where the service ports are at. So the first thing you want to do is you want to connect your water line to the cold water side. Get that hooked up. Then you want to connect your return line to the hot water side. Have that go into your bucket with the pump to circulate your water. What I do is I just turn the water on to fill my bucket with the chemical from the tankless pump here. That also helps flush out any debris left in your pump. And once you have the flow aid flush chemical and the water to the level, you want to turn the water off at the service ports for hot and cold water. Make sure you turn the gas off. Open your valves fully. I'll go ahead and plug our pump in here. Now that we have it cycling through, go ahead and unplug our tankless. And we just want to let this run right here with the flow aid. Let it run and cycle through for about 40 minutes. Get that heat exchanger nice and cleaned out on this tankless.